Hi guys, this is Pri. Welcome to our channel IELTS with Pri and Aman at IELTS Success Academy. If you are new to our channel, consider subscribing our channel and make sure to hit the like button and also share it with your friends. So in this video, we will be doing a cue card that is amongst the September to December 2023 speaking topics. So I had scored band 9 in my speaking test and I wanted to share some secrets with all of you so that you can achieve the same band score in your exam. So let's look at the topic. Describe an invention. You should say what the invention is, how you use this invention, whether it is difficult to use it. So as you can see, there are three questions attached to this cue card and we need to ensure that all of these three questions are answered before the 2-minute mark. So let's look at a sample answer that I have created. Also make sure that you watch this video till the end as I will be sharing some useful tips all throughout this explanation of the cue card. So let's begin. Necessity is the mother of invention, which simply means that the major driving force behind any new discovery is need. Moreover, in recent years, there have been numerous inventions in almost every field, but today I would like to speak about the advent of microwave, which has been a boon to the culinary industry. Alright, so as you can see, our answer started with a very catchy sentence, which is actually a famous proverb. Necessity is the mother of invention. Also, instead of using the word invention each time, we used synonyms of this word, saying discovery and also using advent at one point. Also, instead of just saying cooking, we use the word culinary, which will again increase our band scores for our lexical resources portion. Actually, it's a good idea to just pause the video and just write down the words as I'm telling the meaning so that you do not forget it later on. Alright, so let's continue. Moreover, I use this electrical appliance for all my daily cooking needs, ranging from simple reheating of food items, boiling potatoes, baking cakes or muffins, as well as preparing authentic Indian desserts like rice pudding. Sometimes I even use it for disinfecting kitchen items like sponges and cutting boards. Additionally, since microwaves use electromagnetic radiation, it prevents the loss of essential nutrients from food and is considered to be quite safe. So as you can see, we have given several points to elaborate on the second part of the question, which was how you use this invention. We have also used connectors like moreover, additionally, which will all increase our band scores for the coherence and cohesion part. Alright, so let's continue. Moving further, this kitchen device is quite simple, convenient, as well as easy to operate and saves a lot of time as recipes can be made just with the click of a button with preset instructions. So now we are answering the last part of the question, which is whether it is difficult to use it. Also, you must have noticed that instead of using the word microwave again and again, we have used synonyms like electronic appliance, kitchen device, so that it doesn't sound repetitive. Otherwise, our band scores get deducted if we use the same word over and over again. Alright, so let's continue. Finally, this device has made my life comfortable and saves me from the hassle of preparing dishes in my hectic schedule. So, as you all can see, as for our fluency, we made sure that we were not taking any kind of pauses in between, neither we were getting stuck at some of the questions or words, right? We made sure that we were speaking quite smoothly. And also, our pronunciation was quite clear at all times, which simply means that the examiner was able to understand every word that we were trying to speak. So, all these will also enhance our band scores for the fluency and pronunciation part. Thank you for your time, everyone. If you did like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. Till then, take care and see you soon. Bye bye.